linear slide is a machine element within a motion platform that provides free motion across a single degree of freedom, x, y or z, and restricts undesirable movement from the other axis. Screw-driven guided positioning linear slides are designed for robust application that demands high thrust with positioning accuracy and stiffness. Linear stages are available for vertical or lift positioning, XY motion, and multi-axle positional control for a variety of applications that include factory automation, medical, packaging, printing, etc. Ball screw slide or lead screw slide. Highly accurate and precise ball screw and lead screw slide with travel length ranging from 100 mm to 3000 mm are manufactured with payload up to tons and feed rate as per the requirement. Accuracy up to 2 micron. Such as packaging equipment, inspection, processing equipment, lifting mechanism. Belt drive. This type of slide is generally used for high feed rate applications of up to 1000 mm per second with travel length of 1500 mm, having a load capacity up to 14 feet. It is used in conveyors, bottle filling, food packaging, etc. Rack and pinion drive. Application that requires stroke length where this type of slide is used, which has the efficiency of 70 to 80% with a travel length of up to 3 meters. It is used in pick and press, gantry robo, plant automation, etc. Customization of slide with respect to application, automation, control panel, SPM is available with us.